Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download images and photos from Google. Let's dive in. First of all, let's launch the Google Chrome app. You want to make sure that you're at the Google launching screen. Now, for example, you want to download a picture of a car, let's say BMW, okay, for example. Then you want to sort by images on the top right corner. Now you want to scroll down and select a picture that you want to download, right? For example, let's click on this one over here. Let's say we want to download this image. How are we going to go about it? Well, all we gotta do is to press on the image and hold our finger. You get a pop-out which simply will allow you. First option is to download the actual image. A quick pro tip over here is that if you currently working on particular project on Photoshop or Canva, you don't have to actually download the image. If you want to use the image, all you gotta do is you can actually copy the image from here and you can just paste it inside the editing software. Canva, Photoshop, or whatever software you're using, CapCut as well, works perfectly fine. The next option, of course, is you can actually open the image, and when you click open the image, you will have the image open itself, and here you can as well do the same thing. You can hold your finger essentially and download the image. You want to go back up, you want to click on the lower right side when you see the arrow pointing left. Again, holding your finger will simply let you not only download but also to copy the image. For example, if you don't have space or storage on your device, on your phone or laptop, or simply don't want to store the image, you just simply want to utilize the image for practices, for some exercise, you can simply copy and paste inside the editing software. Another very helpful function is that currently the latest update of Google Chrome lets you simply to search for the same exact image or things that are on the image. You see the last option, it says search image with Google. So what we did, let's say we want to see this BMW, right, and learn more about it and see different images. We can click on search image with Google. Now Google Lens simply will look up and it will give you different pictures for the same exact object. As you can see, we just received plenty of different images of this exact BMW from different people. This means that if you don't want to see, fabricated professional images from, the ads or from the actual manufacturer, you want to see some natural images from the people who actually own the car, you probably want to look into more pictures, more images, more information from the actual owners or people who actually did the test drive. So as you can see over here, we simply get recommendations from YouTube video for people who did the test drive, which in my opinion is very, very interesting. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and come back for more.